Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the app installed and signed in. Now open Word and pick a document. Once done, choose blank or a template to start faster. Make sure to allow storage and OneDrive permissions so saving works. Tap the body to place the cursor, then use the keyboard to enter text. Use the plus or insert menu to add images, tables, or headings. These are your first actionable steps that get you writing and structuring content right away. You're now editing. Tap text to select and apply formatting like bold, italics, font size, or color. Use styles to create consistent headings so navigation and outlining work automatically. Insert images, tables, and links from the plus menu and reposition media by dragging. Make sure to use paragraph alignment, line spacing, and bullets for readable layouts. If you need to change multiple instances, use Find and Replace. And remember to tap Undo or Redo when a change finish by saving and sharing. Rely on auto-save to OneDrive or tap Save if you prefer local storage. Once saved, use Share to send a link or attach the file. Set permissions so others can edit or only view. Export to PDF when you need a fixed format. If something goes wrong, check your internet connection and sign-in status, then force a manual save and reopen the file. If sync still fails, upload the document to OneDrive via the app and try sharing from there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.